a toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. So mounted hemisphere, cone, right? These are things that we need to understand. So let's understand that first before we do anything. So what I have here is a cone and a hemisphere. So let me show that. This is a hemisphere. Why? It's half of a sphere, is it not? Now, this is a cone. Okay. When they tell mounted, they're placed on each other in this way. Of course, they're touching and all of that, but I just, I didn't arrange it to that extent, right? So basically mounted means they're placed on each other, and yeah, this is what we are looking at. Okay. So basically we need to find the surface area of this. So they told that this radius is 3.5, that is 7/2 centimeter. And this height is, we don't know. And when you're talking about surface area, we need to find something called a slant height. Okay, I'll be discussing that just a minute. The total height of the toy. So from this point to this point, right? From this point, tip to the bottom. This entire thing happens to be 15.5, that is 31/2. I always write in fractions. So what is the height? What is the length from here to here? So this length is 24/2, that is 12 centimeter. Okay. So we have OAB triangle, right? Wherein we have the height, we have the radius and stuff, or the base in this case, in case of a triangle. So for a cone, we need to find the slant height to find the total surface area, right? Any kind of cone scenario, curved surface area of a cone, if you have to find, we need to know the slant height, right? So the first job is to find all the dimensions. So first thing is first, we'll start with given. So we have been given that radius of the hemisphere is 7/2 centimeter. And what else? We have been given radius of the cone is same as that, and that's also 7/2 centimeter. And height of the cone, sorry, not radius, height of the cone happens to be height of the toy minus radius of the hemisphere. Right, that's how we got it. So that is nothing but 31/2 minus 7/2. So that is 12. It's okay, you don't need to show too much of calculation, that's good enough. Then we have to find the slant height of the cone, which is given by Pythagoras theorem. So that is OA square plus OB square to the power of half. Pythagorean theorem, right? So this is equal to OA is nothing but your height of the cone square plus radius of the cone square to the power of half. And let's substitute it now. Height of the cone happens to be 12. 14 square plus, sorry, not 14, I meant to write 144. 12 square plus 7/2 the whole square to the power of half. So we have here 144 plus 49/4 to the power of half. So what is over here? We have a LCM of 4. So we have This is 16 plus 1, and yeah, 576 plus 49 by 4. If you know about Pythagorean triplets, this is a Pythagorean triplet. That is, this will add up to a square number 625 divided by 4 whole to the power of half. So this is nothing but 25 by 2, so many centimeters. So the slant height happens to be 25 by 2 centimeter. Okay. So now, next thing is the last thing. That is the total height, total surface area of the toy is equal to curved surface area of the cone. You need to understand why is it curved, why not total. See, when I look at it, when I look at the toy, a cone, what part of the cone is seen? The curved surface area, not the bottom, right? So I'll show it to you. Not that. This is the bottom of a cone. That's not visible when we keep a sphere, is it not? So that's why we have to take only the curved surface area of the cone plus half of a curved surface area of hemisphere. So this is equal to cone is pi RL plus this is half of 4 pi r square, right? So we have 2 1s are 2 2s are. So this is equal to 22 by 7 into radius of the cone is 7 by 2 into slant height 25 by 2 plus 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. So this is 7 and 7, 2 1s are 2, 11s are 7 and 7, 2 1s are 2, 11s are 2 and 2. Okay, so what is left out? 11 into 25 by 2 plus 11 into 7, right? I hope I didn't miss anything. So here we have 11 as common number. So we have 11 times of 25 by 2 plus 7. LCM here is 2. So 14 plus 25 is 40. No, wait. 30. 39. Yeah, 39 by 2. The product of this is 39, 429 by 2 centimeter square. Okay, if they want it in decimal, so convert it. If not, again, just talk to your teachers, check what they want. I'm sure they want most probably in decimals in most of the cases, but anyways, it's not a big division, so you can do it. Okay, this is your answer. You can pause and have a look. Please enroll to our program at chalkpieceacademy.com, wherein we'll be teaching you a lot more tricks for faster simplification calculation, DIY projects. We'll code with Python. We'll work with Arduino Uno. There are a lot more magic tricks and the physics behind it. They are printable materials which will help you recap and understand things better. We'll have live revision and doubt session 2 months before your term exams. It's very cost effective. There would be no ads or any kind of distractions, and we have a dedicated app to help you guys with this.